Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can call Amazon delivery agent, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first thing you have to simply open up your Amazon shopping app. Go ahead, tap on it, and now we will be in the home section. Now right afterwards, simply go ahead, tap on this little human icon in the bottom, and let's go ahead, go back, and this is how it's gonna appear right afterwards. Now tap on this option of your orders, and here in the section you will be able to find all of the orders who are ready to be dispatched or are yet to be delivered. Now if you want to get your delivery agent's number, you have to make sure that your order has reached the step of out for delivery. So when you tap on your order and tap on tracking package, you will find these steps in the progress, right? If it's out for delivery, you will directly listed, you will find the number of your delivery agent whom you can contact. Now go ahead, access your phone app of your mobile phone, simply go ahead, enter the number with it, and simply contact them, and then you will be able to get out the information as well, and that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.